Spartan Armor introduces our newly innovated NIJ Certified Sentinel Laser Cut Tactical Vest, a go-to solution for officers and security professionals who demand mission-ready gear. Our new Sentinel Tactical Vest comes with pre-installed NIJ Certified HG2 Level IIIA Kevlar ballistic protection on both front and back of the carrier in order to defend against handgun rounds up to a .44 Magnum. This vest also features a top-loading external front and back pocket for 10 by 12 inch and 9.5 by 12.5 inch rifle-rated plates, giving the user the ability to quickly yield higher rated protection when the time comes. Unlike standard vests with hook and loop cummerbunds, the Sentinel is equipped with an elastic Rare Earth MagLock cummerbund and split shoulder straps to allow for quicker donning and removal of the carrier. Designed for functionality, the Sentinel Tactical Vest comes with a rear drag handle and several hook and loop identification patch areas. The Sentinel is designed with strong, durable laser-cut 1000 denier polyester fabric to provide the operator with a reliable vest that can handle all tough situations. Equipped with highly breathable 3D mesh material on the interior, you are guaranteed to stay comfortable all day. The Sentinel is also featured with 3 front chest pockets to allow for storage of personal items or tools. The Sentinel comes in sizes small to XXL and is also available in 3 colors: black, OD green, and coyote brown. If you're looking for a new duty vest that will exceed your expectations through comfort and versatility, then choose Spartan Armor's Sentinel Laser Cut Tactical Vest.